Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome once again to the Ross Video booth here at NAB 2019. We are bringing you videos live from the show floor, and we are talking about all of the new products, all of the new solutions from Ross Video this year. I'm joined by Greg Quirk, who is Marketing Product Manager for Lightning, for LCS, and we're going to talk a little bit about LCS, about what it is, what it does, and what is new for version 6. Greg, welcome.
Thank you.
So LCS, an excellent compact solution for legislative, for all sorts of live productions.
Yep.
Version 6, what's new? What have we added?
Sure. So we made it a lot easier and faster to use. So we've added take buttons underneath each of the previews. So now when you select a mark, you'll have multiple cameras that'll go to that position, and you can just choose which one you want, hit the take button underneath with the one you want to use, and it automatically goes on air. We've also added a store shot button underneath each of them, so when you move your camera, you just hit the store shot directly into the interface and your shot gets overridden, which is really cool. It makes it a lot faster for our operators to control it. One of the really cool things that we've added in is dynamic picture-in-picture. So you create a picture-in-picture template in the back end of Lightning, and it's the style you want it to be. When you turn it on, you can then select the marks that you want to have as your background source and your pip source, and then it dynamically creates it. So instead of having to build a bunch of customs beforehand, you can pick and choose on the fly which ones you want it to be. It creates it, push the button, bring it on air again.
Well, one of the things that we've talked about in the past, I know, is the fact that Lightning really helps, for example, in a legislative environment. The people who are running the system might not be people that come from a broadcast background, people that have that kind of training. But I mean, you've spoken to me before about ease of use, about how easy it is to get going with the system.
Yeah, and actually one of my favorite stories about that is I literally went into a site, set up the system in the morning, trained them in the afternoon, and they were broadcasting that night for their first meeting. It's that easy to use, completely intuitive. People have been floored coming to the show and seeing, okay, I can run this thing after a 10-minute demo. That's phenomenal. It's really great.
And of course, I know we do talk about legislative, but that is not the only application for Lightning, is it?
No, not at all. So really, it is designed for ease of use anywhere where, again, you have cameras, switcher, and graphics control. So we're seeing a lot of interest from houses of worship, education, simple news broadcasts, corporate applications. We actually use it when we're broadcasting our staff meetings. So we're using Lightning to send it out to all our remote employees. It's just an easy-to-use system in whatever application that you want to use it for.
So in terms of version 6, in terms of availability, when are we going to be making that available?
It's actually been available since January. We installed our first customer in January, and they're up and running on it. And we've upgraded existing customers that are on their annual maintenance plan or have purchased it in the last year. So we've already been updating them. Upgrading from a previous version to version 6 is literally a 5-minute job. One of the other things that we added in is the ability to push a button to reconfigure your switcher so it will work with Lightning the way that we need it to work. So it's super easy to upgrade and just gets great new functionality out of that.
Fantastic, Greg. Thank you very much. There we go. Lightning, the very cost-effective and easy-to-use solution for all manner of live productions. Greg, thank you very much again for your time.
Thanks, sir.
We're going to be here for another day or so at the show. We are in the South Lower Hall. It's booth SL1805. Please do come and check us out if you can, if you are in the Las Vegas area. Otherwise, everything that you need to know about Ross Video and about the new solutions that we're launching here at the show is on rossvideo.com. Thanks very much for watching.